It's not RC. Adventures in Radio Control.
Alright, we are down at the field with the Ninja. We're going to give it a fly. Everything is prepped to go. I've got my tow pilot. Actually, I've got several tow pilots lined up and all excited to tow this thing. So, if you haven't seen my previous videos, you should go see that. I put bigger ailerons on this thing. It now has a rudder. It's the Sig Ninja. I don't know if I mentioned that. Probably says on the video title. But anyway, yeah, we're going to go fly this. What could possibly go wrong?
Another box.
Alrighty.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yes, I think so.
Towing.
You hope?
Oh, fine. It broke the horn on the servo.
Yeah, that's not looking so good.
Next tow plane. Excellent. Grab one of these.
So what do we think of that?
You know, the servo's got to pull out.
I'm going to try a slightly more powerful fun cub here. Ah, yeah.
What can possibly go wrong? Towing. Whoa!
What could go wrong?
There could be that.
I think we should all pack up and go home.
Whoa!
I am ready.
All right, towing.
Your propeller engine fell off. Going about as well as I figured it would. I think it might be lunchtime.
Oh,
Yeah, that's not good.
whoops.
Yeah, that's I'm kind of glad it didn't get in the air now.
I guess that's not going to work.
Home tack.
Okay. It was a valiant effort. Sounds like a yanking situation.
I'm worried about the yanking, that's the trick, yeah.
Run with it.
I'm going to run a little bit with it.
Yeah, just make like you're.
Everybody ready? Chris said not to make it yank. Cool. Take up the slack.
Oh, this is going to be epic.
Pull me off my feet.
Ready?
Yeah.
Towing.
Oh, I'm up.
I was faster than the go play.
Working!
Kind of jerks it off.
Yeah, somewhere, please.
Give me a drink. Give me a drink.
Go away. Alright. Working! Look at that. Yeah, it's real nice.
Right?
Good. Oh, now we're in trouble. Oh boy. A little slow. Alright, here we go. No, I'm still on. Go to the moon. The amount of trouble I had getting this thing in the air, I'm going up high.
30 degrees up elevator.
Alright.
Everything.
Coming off. 3, 2, 1. You're off.
Oh, what are they doing?
Now let's find out. I got the CG right.
Still on. Yeah. Now he's off.
Right.
Okay, Chris, we want a 10-minute flight now.
Yeah, with this thing, I don't know about that.
Help the heavy shoulder.
Jump all good, Chris.
Probably not, Ned.
This is Chris. He doesn't fly straight down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was pretty cool.
It almost needs a dollar.
That's pretty nice. Whee! Look at it go. Oh. Is that my toe plate or somebody else's? No, it's not.
It would have been. Just the foam all over the place.
Almost beat you down, Roger. And landing too.
I want
to let it go farther. I actually
My dad.
ran the first time. We're trying not to get too much.
Plastic flies great. Oh, that didn't sound good.
I got points.
Oh, flaps are a bit scary. Oh yeah.
Oh, it stopped.
But yeah, flies nicely, it does. One more time. Then I think it's lunchtime.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I need more flap to elevator mixing. So when I put the flaps down, the thing dives pretty bad.
Does it?
I think I actually did dial in some down. Yeah, I did. So
Not
I got
much.
too much.
Not
So I
much.
need to half that maybe.
Take it off.
Ooh, a lot of slack.
You gotta go faster, Roger. I got it floored.
Flaps are away. Following you. Right turn, Clyde. We got any requests to do a roll on tow, Roger?
Okay, go.
No worries. Gonna make my audience sick. Alright, this is looking pretty high.
Oh, come on, higher.
Higher! It's a little plane. Can't see it anymore. Yeah, I think we're pretty good here. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, coming off. 3, 2, 1. And I am off. Alright.
Turn it around.
I could do that, eh? Use my new rudder to turn it around. Look at that. Nice flat turn.
If we hit each other.
This is a bad plan, you realize. Follow me. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to thermal, but it certainly flies nicely. Just tooling around. Bye. It's pretty aerobatic. The maneuver's good.
Landing.
Feet up. Man. Oh dear God. Okay, those flaps are scary as hell. Let's try to flap again. Yeah, it's pitchy when it's flapping. Alright. It was a better landing, but oh, I got out of hand there for a second. I'm on high rates, that's why. I'm blaming it on the high rates.
Okay.
Lodge! Well, thank you guys, that was cool. Only sacrificed one tow plane for the cause. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Need to adjust some of the rates a little bit, but it flies great. Really easy to fly. It's like it's on rails until it gets too slow, and then it's kind of scary.
Alright, well there it is, the Ninja flies again. Yeah, pretty pleased with that. It flies really nicely. It's definitely aerobatic, which is what I wanted. And yeah, quite happy with that. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you next time.